everyone and a very warm welcome to my channel. In the previous video we traveled from Aminono to Bucard Island. If you haven't seen that video, link is in the description, please have a look. We have reached Bucada. Now we will go around and see the beauty of Bucada Island. In Turkish language, Bucada means big, as this island is biggest of all 9 islands, which collectively make the Adlar district of Istanbul. Hence its name is Bucada, meaning the biggest island. As far as its topography is concerned, the island consists of two tops. The one near ferry landing is Isa Tepesi, meaning the juices top. Once there had been a Greek orphanage on this top, but now only few remains of wooden building of the orphanage can be seen. A church and a monastery of Ios Nicholas between two hilltops is another remarkable icon of its rich history. You can also see buildings from Ottoman periods on the island as well. Since Byzantine's period to 20th century, Bucada remains home for many renowned personalities during their exile to the island. The Soviet politician Leon Trotsky also spent his days of exile on this land. Today weather is fine and lots of tourists have come to visit Bucada. We are also roaming around and exploring different places at the island. It is lunchtime and we are looking for some good seafood. Finally, we have decided to have lunch in Ali Akbar Baba restaurant. This is a view of Marmara Sea from the restaurant. It is really nice to see someone speaking Urdu here. This waiter at Suleiman Bey restaurant speaks Urdu. Just listen to his invitation.
बहुत मजा का खाना है आजो आजो बिरयानी बासमती राइस असलम बे कबाब असलम
The only transport on Bucada is bicycles or the electric scooters. You can rent a bicycle at affordable price and explore the island. We enjoyed bicycle riding for a while and now we are on beach side. Marmara sea water is very clear. On beach side water is shallow and you can bathe and swim if you like to. You can see tourists from almost all parts of the world. Now we are ready to go back. We are waiting for next ferry back to Istanbul. The day at Bukhara was really wondrous and joyful. We really enjoyed a lot. If you ever come to Istanbul, don't forget to visit Bukhara. It sure is a worth visiting place. Now we have come to the end of our journey. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.